Hello guys, my name is Popoola Tosin. I'm a Cognos developer and I'll be taking you through the dashboard I've created with weather analytics. Now coming to the request subject. This is just an exploration of the request subjects to find every meaningful insight concerning request subjects. Now we have request subject by date resolution, request subject by service request and temperature, request subject by service request and month. Then we have our department assigned and closure reasons. Now here we will see that public works department has the highest days to resolution when it's on time, and still has the highest days to resolution when it is overdue. And with the insight here, we are told that public works department has the highest number of service requests, and going by these we have the month of February to be the month with the highest service request, and public works to be the department. You see, the yellow public should also be the department with the highest service request. Now going through department assigned, we have department assigned by days to resolution and request type, with public works again being the department with the highest days to resolution, and request type, which is abandoned bicycles because of the color. Abandoned bicycles as the most service request from public works. And here we have department assigned by service request and request subjects, with public works having the chunk of the service request. Now coming down again, we have the department assigned by service request and days to resolution. Judging by this, public works again has the highest number of service requests, and since this chart is column and line charts, it's the line is representing the days to resolution, and it also has the highest number of days to resolution. Now coming to weather conditions, well, we have weather conditions by service request and days to resolution, and from the insight it's clear that when the weather is clear we have the highest service request when the weather is clear, and with the line chart, which is representing the days to resolution, it has the highest day to resolution when the weather is clear also. Now coming to weather conditions by temperature, we have the highest temperature when it's the weather condition is thunderstorms with 75 degree Fahrenheit, and we have the lowest temperature with light snow. We have with light freezing drizzle, snow and heavy snow. These are the lowest temperature when the weather condition are these. Now coming here, we have the wind direction, we have the weather condition with the wind speed. As you can see from this chart, is an area chart. It's telling us that the weather condition as when it is snowy, it has the highest wind speed. So going through open dates too, this is telling us on which days, which time of the day we have the highest service request and the days to resolution. Now it is evidence from this chart that early afternoon we have the highest number of service requests, and we have the lowest at late night. And with the days to resolution, we have early afternoon also to be the time with the most days to resolution. Now coming here, we have months by service request and days to resolution. Now February as the highest month with the service request. service requests are extremely high on February, and judging with the days to resolution, February has the highest days to resolution also. And going by this chart, we saw that May has the lowest service request, and it has the lowest days to resolution. Now we have days of the week. Saturday and Sunday are the lowest service. They have the lowest service request in the days of the week, and we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday to be the highest, to have the highest service request on the days of the week. And quickly, let us check our neighborhood. Now, going through this neighborhood, okay, the chart is messing up. Good. Now this is neighborhood by service request and temperature. The temperature is represented the colored, and the service request is represented the size. Now looking at this Mission Hill. Mission Hill has a very high temperature, which is averaging at 51.70 degree Fahrenheit, and it has a service request of 3,280. The service request is not that much compared to Dorchester. Dorchester has a service request of 28,056 with an average temperature of 47.549 degree Fahrenheit. Now coming to neighborhood by days to resolution and wind chill. The wind chill is represented by the color, and the days to resolution is represented by the size. Now picking these, we see at South Boston, days to revolution is averaging 18 days, and we have the wind chill averaging at 17.622 Fahrenheit. Now coming to the drivers, we can see from the drivers, because the stronger we tend to 100%. Now here it says the combination of month and wind direction is a predictor to temperature. That means if you want to predict temperature, we can study the month and wind direction. We will be right at least 90% of the time to predict the temperature. And coming by these, it's telling us the combination of request reason and case status is a predictor of department assigned. That means if we want to predict a department assigned, we can study our request reason and case status. So this we have our filters. We have the on time status here. We have the case status. Let's check for instance, if we change this to overdue, let's see how the chart will react to it. Now when it is overdue, we have a much bigger size for our public works, and we still have public works as the highest, having the highest service request. And let's check when the case, let's check the case status when it is closed. Let us see how the charts, how the dashboard will respond. You see again, when it is closed, we see our public source with the highest service requests. So here we have another filter for only this dashboard. We have for Twitter. Let's see how many requests we have from Twitter. Now from Twitter, let's see, these are the changes we were able to see. When the sources of requests is Twitter, we have the public works to be, they are averaging at 55.98. So let's check the open quarter. Let's check quarter 4, and let's see how it reacts. You see, the dashboard reacts accordingly. It reacts accordingly. These are what I want to show you guys about the dashboard I created, and I believe I'll do more and see you guys some other time. Thank you.